Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace side view mirror on a Jetta MK6, guys. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove that mirror now and how to replace it. First thing, there is a hidden screw bolt that we need to show you guys where it is. With a prying tool we need to remove the master window switches. Okay, like that. You have to be careful because that is very fragile. There is a couple clips here and there. And one more there. So now we need to remove the wires. That could be tricky too. Get a screwdriver, push all the way out like that, and they will just come out. Master window switch is out. And now we have one bolt right here, you can see, with a T30. That's the one we're talking about. That it's pretty hidden there. Okay, that's the one, that bolt right there. And next we have one screw on the bottom of the door panel with a T20 there. Okay, go ahead and remove that one. After that, with a prying tool, guys, we need to start somewhere to get it loose. There is quite a few clips. Once we remove the door panel, we'll show you where they are, so you know what to expect, guys, and know where to apply a little bit more pressure. Okay, it's coming loose now. So that will be the same procedure for the right side as well. We're demonstrating on the left one because there is more switches and it's a little bit more complicated here. Okay, a couple there. Okay guys, next we need to remove that trim right here. So if you get it started, okay, with a prying tool, it comes out in a very weird way, to be honest with you. Okay, let's see if we can figure it out. It slides towards the back once you get it out. Okay, it slides towards the back. And we have a bolt right here, as you can see, a hidden bolt. They like to do that on that MK6. Everything is hidden for the door panels. With the same T30 we need to remove that one. Okay guys, we forgot, we almost messed up, so, well, we mess up, we save you trouble, guys. There is a clip right there. That's a plastic cap that you need to remove, and underneath it there is another bolt. Okay, the same with the T30. So you know where that one is now. That's good to check out before you start taking apart, because you know what to expect and it saves you quite a bit of trouble. And you just pull it out now, guys. We need to disconnect the wires and the cables, which is very limited room here. Trying to do my best to show you how to do that now. Okay, this is for the light here on the side. Okay, so we need to remove that wire there first. You can see that's for the mirrors and for the power locks. Trying to make a video here through the window, guys, so you can see, because the wires are super short and we don't get enough room to remove them. Okay, we gained a little bit now. And what we will need to do, disconnect the wire down there for the trunk release. And all we have left is the one that I was trying to do like 5 minutes ago right here. Okay, super limited space. They don't give you much to work with. Okay, if you turn it like that. Okay, let's see how this one. Okay, you pick it up and pull it. Okay, so that one right here, you need to pull this thing up and then you pull it. That's the lock, the inner door handle. Pull it out like that. Those are easy to install. That's the panel, guys. Those are the clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 5, 6 clips there. One is missing from ours, you can see it stayed here. So we'll show you how to remove that thing now. Okay, you need to get just the okay, like that, the whole clip, and we're just going to go ahead and install it on the panel now. And all you have to do, just install it on the door panel like that. You can see that's what it looks like from the back. So that's how you guys remove the door panel. Okay guys, now once you remove the door panel, we can go ahead to the mirror now. You can see you need to squish those two in to pull the wiring harness for the mirror, like that. Now we need to remove that that cover with the prying tool. It's not very complicated. You just pry it out and then it comes out in an angle. That's what it looks like. And now in order to remove it, guys, we'll need to remove that clip there that holds the wires, and those sometimes tend to break, so be careful. Okay guys, so we're using that's a Volkswagen and Audi. They use that too. You can see it's kind of like a star looking like a Torx, but with more. You can see it has a little bit different structure. So this one is a 6. Okay, I don't know what the real name is, but this one is M6. 6 is the size of it. And now we'll need to hold the mirror and remove that bolt there. Okay, like that. And now if you go to the outside, actually, you can pull the mirror out. The bottom piece comes out first. Okay, and then towards the back. And this is it, guys, just one bolt holding the whole mirror. So that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it, guys. It's very important when you put it together to get those rubber things off that cap. You need to install them actually on the door, not on the cap, because if they're on the cap you won't be able to push it in. So you need to use a screwdriver and kind of like push them out of there. It's not as easy, but it will come out. Okay, almost there, maybe. Okay, it came out, and we're just gonna go push it in like that. You need to get all the teeth inside. Okay, and you need to do all you need to do after that when you replace the mirror, just put the cover, push it in, it's gonna go in, and that's the whole procedure, guys. Please give us a like, subscribe, help us grow that channel.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.